In the last Fartcoin video, I gave you this trade right here, and we just took profit on it that closed it, and I'm looking to enter in again, but I want a bigger pump to do that. So here's my price prediction on the higher time frame and the lower time frame, the daily chart and the 30-minute chart. Keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, and I won't waste a second of your time. So I'm expecting price to hopefully go to this level, and this is a very good level that I'll be interested in shorting. I will not be interested in shorting before that because I just need good areas to trade. I don't need average areas to trade, and I want these highs to be broken. So my thesis for this trade would be that we pump to this level, we take it out, hopefully we even go to 855, and then we short very heavy with big size. Again, obviously this video is not financial advice. Check the link in the description down below if you want to see why I'm up so much on meme coins, how I'm trading them. I've made a course, made it very cheap, and I'm gonna be adding future stuff for futures trades. And if you're interested, also in my signals chat where you see every single trade I have, it's also linked in the description down below. I am switching from Mexi to BloFin. BloFin are currently giving away $30 bonuses plus 50% off your spot fees. So do check it out. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.